Namaskar tutorial, I'm Cyril here. Today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed calamari or stuffed squids. Now this is mainly found in Goan cuisine as well as Konkan region. Okay, and don't forget the ingredients are in the description box, guys. So please check it. So let's start the stuffed squids. Come, follow me. This Kashmiri chilies which was soaked for 1 hour in hot water. Drain the water. Then put little vinegar, 2 teaspoon of vinegar. This is the teaspoon of vinegar. But I've used this apple cider vinegar. You can use regular vinegar also, white vinegar. But apple cider, that's one of my favorite. That's why I use that to get good flavor. And then we'll make a paste and half a teaspoon of salt. So let's grind it. Paste, see it's grounded now. The fine paste. Now in this there is no water. I put only salt and vinegar. There was 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Out of that I put 2 teaspoons of vinegar. If you want more you can add more vinegar, but no water. Don't add any water. As I said, you can use plain vinegar, synthetic white vinegar, or apple cider vinegar as I use. Water you can add later, afterwards when you are cleaning this. We'll add little water, but not now. I have on the gas now. Kadai is getting hot. Let's put some oil, 2 teaspoons of oil. Put ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons. Saute for a while. Onions, 2 onions, chopped onions. Saute translucent for 3-4 minutes till the onions become transparent. In fact, translucent means transparent. If you want, you can put little more oil. So I am putting 1 more teaspoon of oil. So in total we have used 3 teaspoons of oil. Onions nice translucent. Now let's add this red chili paste, red Kashmiri chili paste. You can add little water from the mixing bowl what we had ground. So later on we can add little water in that and get the mixing bowl washed. But this has to be sauteed nicely. In this we'll put 1 teaspoon of sugar, left remaining apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and later on we'll add squids, salt and chopped cilantro. And now this has to be cooked a little bit, another 2 more minutes. We have to cook the chili. We have to remove the rawness of the chili which we grounded. So let's cook for 2 more minutes and then we'll add chopped squids inside. Reduce the heat of the gas. Now let's add the chopped calamari, chopped squids. This is the stuffing. Now make the gas on medium low, don't make it very high, otherwise the spice will get burnt. Add a half teaspoon of salt, as we have already added half before in the masala, in the chili paste. If you want we can taste and then add a little more. Saute this for at least 2 to 3 minutes till the squids get cooked. Add little water which I had washed from this grinder. not much, because we don't need this like a gravy. We need a like a dry mixture to put the as a stuffing in the squids. So let it just cook for 2-3 minutes. We cannot cook this more, otherwise it will become like hard and rubber. So guys, you have to be very careful while cooking this squids. Even the final product, when we grill or when we put in the griddle, just cook for 3 to 4 minutes, not more. Otherwise, if you cook more, it will become like rubber. Put little chopped cilantro, stir it. Check the seasoning. If you want, you can put more. As I said, we have already put in the chili paste. Ready? Switch off the gas and let it cool down before stuffing. Okay, stuffing is ready. It's cooled down, chilled. Now let's add little salt for the squids, because we didn't add before, so add salt. Not too much, as it is the stuffing has salt inside. So to start with, just fill up this. Now when you select the squids, make sure they are not very big and not very small. Try to select the medium one, the medium size. The reason why I am saying this, because the big one, the squids which are big, they are a little bit tough when they cook. So try to use medium. The big one, the big size, you can chop and keep him. You can chop like as I did. With the help of the toothpick, just cover the end. With the help of the toothpick, just cover the end. Start with the second one, as we did. Same way like how we did for the first one. Put the stuffing. Alright. Now same like how we did for the first one. Take a toothpick and see how I'm picking from one end inside. Turn, twist the other end like how we do sweet dhaga. More or less same. Okay. Here. Like that we'll do rest of the squids. Our stuffed squids are ready. Now anything left over we can just apply on top. No need to discard. Any leftover masala, any spices left over, just apply. Now let it marinate for at least 1 hour, and then we just shallow grill. That's it. So I'm keeping this in the fridge. You can do this 1 day in advance. If you don't have time, you can do it and keep in the fridge. You can marinate and keep for 24 hours, no problem. And if you want to eat same day, same time, at least let it marinate for 1 hour, and then we grill it. Okay, so we wait for 1 hour. Alright, now let's start grilling the squids, marinated squids. Let's on the gas first. Let's put 3 teaspoons of oil, not too much. If you want, we can add later. Nice hot. Now the flame has to be medium to low while cooking the squid, otherwise it will burn. We don't want burn, we want nice color. This way, put the squid. On medium to low heat. Make sure the gas is medium to low, don't make very high, otherwise it will burn. We need to give nice color. So now turn the squid on the other side. And as I said, don't cook for a long time. This will take 4 minutes maximum. The more you cook, for a long time, it will become tough, little hard, little like a rubber. So try to cook for 4 to 5 minutes maximum. But that depends upon the size of the squid. As I said, this we have taken the medium size, but sometimes we are not available, then we use the big one, then it will take another 2 minutes more. The more the squid small, it cooks faster and more tastier. Just turn one more time. So make sure the size of the squids are cooked. If you need to keep another 1 or 2 more minutes, you can keep. That depends upon the size of the squid. Now here we have all medium except one. This is a little bit bigger, so this might take another 1 minute or 2 minutes to cook. Make sure all the sides are turned properly well. The reason why we put the toothpick to close the head, so the filling should not come out while in cooking process. So 2 more minutes. One more minute left. You see, it's all well coated from all the sides. You will properly cook properly. The squids are ready. Here, our stuffed squids are nicely cooked, grilled. So let's do the plating. Alright guys, little stuffed squids are ready. Please try my recipe and comment, and don't forget to share with friends and families, and please subscribe my channel with like, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.